his boss, which is Samuel Abu-Jinapor. Samuel Abu-Jinapor is the ranking member for Foreign Affairs, the former Lands Minister and former Deputy Chief of Staff, Member of Parliament.
For Ghana SMTV mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime video we upload there some can be. For honorable could you to Ablakwa say there week be a name yan count nenkan asem. Just say week no bana yan can asema week no it won't end. They say honorable could you to say I say okuseku so I say just in there. So minimum, but I so something that is bad. Say okuseku nipa hu. Yes sir. Yo. For and he say but kaya bra NDC now more opposition. Okuje to Ablakwa and Babakwa all criticize the government no easy. They be okuje to assembly kafa government no. They be assembly kafa government. They be assembly kafa government no. Let me say okay. But as in some no nyinaa no. Na nyama na ka say aban extend to okuje to ni constituency. Na aban no still na kufa do aban na omoye. Na omoye development okuje to constituency. Ebra drip equipment no buy. Akufo do anka say okuje to debia oka semponi fa me hunti. Me manebi debi akuje to akufo do ni ba omi omudi okuje to constituency de man. Okuje to ono anka sanso na ye na oye ranking Foreign Affairs Committee of Parliament so. And all those things privileges that are given to ranking no. Na okuje to obi. Na ebusian for NDC abai mu say no. Honorable okuje to Ablakwa or the ono anipe say the punishing crofo of feel say omaka nasem and I say people who are criticizing him in the public domain. And he's saying MPP MP Bakwa or yeah deputy ranking or Foreign Affairs Committee so see Busumifrio MP. And like I say oko US at the ongoing UN General Assembly. Now it has been the norm. Papa no ko do airport honum no. Yes see. On to me ko. On to me ko say yes see minister na ye okuje to Ablakwa no we yi din every listening. Identity sounds like papa no. Organize a press conference at the okuje to. Ni say na oye juma, say oye juma as Minister of Foreign Affairs. Observe say obi oga aman we mu and we be fu say can asem o press ma okuje to Ablakwa o ekuje to Ablakwa oh no asem if in sema enka Foreign Affairs ru kra oye member kra no okuje to everything Akufo-Addo national cathedral then hotels na okuje to waka wan asem okroma obi anya ne hwi ene ne can asem there or to me allegedly no or yin for din every travel list they are not tolerant baku say omunye tolerant o nyama omudi Akufo-Addo ni MPP enya fast even 10% a year omuye but omuntimi they are feeling uncomfortable and ebusan for ni akuje to sukoye no ebi no. The video is up next. I'll see you in the next one.
For Damongo. He is the ranking member. And Abu-Jinapor could not make it. So the deputy ranking was to go. Now this deputy ranking was given his money. Everything was prepared for him. But the deputy ranking had been very critical of Okuje to Ablakwa. Extremely critical of him. And so, suddenly they said that he can't go anymore. This is what has been written. Ablakwa drops MPP MP from United Nations General Assembly for criticizing him. Well, the minister didn't give any reason why he has dropped him, but this is what journalists are surmising for the reason. Foreign Affairs Minister Samuel Ablakwa has dropped the deputy ranking member on the Foreign Affairs Committee, Nana Safo-Aye, from participating in the ongoing United Nations General Assembly. As it's been the practice over the years, the chairman of the committee and the ranking member are constant participants in the United Nations General Assembly. The ranking member, Samuel Abu-Jinapor, ceded his slot to his deputy, Asafo-Aye. To his deputy, Asafo-Aye. Should I go on like that? Oko Vanderpoy is to represent the majority, whereas Asafo was representing the minority. The clerk of the committee this time round was added to the list. The dynamic Bosome Frehu MP readied himself, got to the Kotoka International Airport, only to be told at the counter that his name had been dropped from the trip. When calls were placed to ascertain why his name was dropped, Samuel Ablakwa's PA, personal assistant, sent a message that the minister being Okudzeto Ablakwa, said that they, the ministry, cannot pay for the deputy ranking member because the ministry can only take care of 2 participants, Oko Vanderpoy and the clerk of the committee. What is strange about this development is the fact that Asafo Adjei's plane tickets had been paid for and his per diem was given to the clerk to be given to him. One wonders why the minister said the ministry cannot bear his expense when it has already been paid for. The reasons for this is not lost on us. Ablakwa is unhappy with the deputy ranking member of the committee due to the following, and this is very important. 1. On May 22nd, 2025, the Bosome Frehu MP held a press conference chiding the foreign minister on how he handled the scandal that hit the Washington embassy. 2. He as well held a press conference on the 9th of July 2025, chastising the government for relaunching the chip-embedded passport and also on the state of Ghanaians in Togo over the political insurrection in the neighboring country. 3. Nana Asafo Adjei then filed a question in Parliament on 23rd July 2025 for Foreign Minister to respond to the questions he raised in the presser. The Foreign Minister lost his cool by confronting Nana Asafo Adjei, questioning him over why he first held a presser when he knew he would file a question. I mean, viewers, can you imagine this coming from Okudzeto Ablakwa? Asking a member of parliament that, if you knew that you will put a question for me, why did you do a press conference? I mean, has power so suddenly changed some people? Power has so suddenly changed some people? Power that we saw Akufo-Addo hold for 8 years, Kufuor held it for 8 years. And it has suddenly changed people in months, 2 months, 3 months, they are gone. Why will a foreign minister be concerned that you wanted to ask me questions on the floor of the house? Why did you put it in a press conference? Okudzeto Ablakwa, the one who is the biggest protester, the one who shouted on top of his voice against Akufo-Addo and any person. There was even an occasion when Shirley Ayako-Botchwey confronted him in parliament that you are the ranking member, you have this information. Why do you go and publish these things? Was Okudzeto Ablakwa cancelled from UNGA summits when Akufo-Addo traveled to the United Nations General Assembly, I believe for 7 times? Was there any occasion when the ranking member of the Foreign Affairs Committee was told that he cannot travel? Is that what happened? They should tell us. But I'm worried, and Democracy Watch should be worried that a foreign minister is wanting to intimidate somebody on the minority side.
Mo ham ho mo dede na mo ye mo njai na mo fa topic foforo ebi a mo nche how e besima tun so ye fi ebi a galamsi ya be ye say nsu kwa be so aha mo nge because president you know aba no ye fully support it because question e koy na say e dey na nka ebetima ya fa omo e mutu galamsi e to mo gold no nka ebi e mo gold no nya no value what you say. But it's water. Since the galamsey is giving me money, and they also destroying the land, it means that we are also benefiting.
May I say, Anope, good morning.
Okay, good morning. Chair, we are Anope. From I come across a few boys. I do the question there. I had you know. I made the name have me say, we near galamsey. Yet the boy say galamsey, no. Now. Unye nipakuo mutu amana kwa asase dream ko peboba be ye ho adwuma de pay musika we small scale mining amu alovia China for the cause sa excavators ni ade amunti we nye galamsey adwene o so kan kese ya enye empeni for na ma na boss abla that's
okay, may I say good morning.
Madam, good morning. Your friend me so Mary Fair, Michelle Fiacra. Pacho, Galamsey Hons and Semi. Bear Pank, I am penny and shut down for 2 political parties. You know, Montanas and that, or Monco, drink chrome, no Muntimin solve a problem because pass a bear 1 political party, dear. May sure say, on bit my solve Galamsey. I just say your corner say crew party, it must solve Galamsey, but pass a one side political party dear any year. That's it.
Meda also ask it. Good morning.
Apenyi, mamu good morning. Shuna moyano kama pa chira ha o my no baby yedru. You danger zone pa, you danger zone. It was say we have say if you could be a obey one no pinosa at the Niniama. Name dear Musibi echo I politics. Serious I politics. I say on my way back near the target near opposition party in the target and also basic and I basic. Say yeah, I do a politics NC. And as a state of emergency now we declare no so. We are declare say and the war and about my serious at the war and about my because when you declare we say kima obi she could be to a friend say krabi as to when you admire galan say you know why
Matibidasi, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Yura Kwame Tenko, Mr. Franco. Just about that I'm here. Really, some more come once we that I'm saying.
Yesre Ira Mahama said, and until you hear I told Abamano. 20 years Rena, Sagana, so be ya de be now pursue Jaya, this and may be our force no home. But me who say, Saint Kisi prison, Edema Gala, Omo to Galam say no. Near sentence be 15 years. And I say, ha says ye, Sisa building na. Minim say, Ghana had ye, any pebias radiation, on behalf of Jay. So Sanya Mana Mampa, dear. Any MPP ne NDC on bekwa sama galamsey no so akunkum ye rakwa medam.
Okay, Matibidasi, good morning.
Keti unonya Franco micha los ahwefo na etiefo nyina kakra na mepese mekafa mempese ye mampanyeni beka se figure binti numbers binti na bemu yebu say bi aye fight against galamsey no nyina ne se sisei no be abla mudi nso to kasafidie so de mebusa ase enti a day is coming afei ye nananom omo beto nso ye beto efi obi man so a day is coming ye beto nso ye
Mate, good morning.
Tanko, good morning.
pa yɛfrɛ me paa wɔ mekasa firi dɔnkoto tanko galamsey ntɔkwa ne deɛ dɔmahama mede nyankopɔn ayɛ sɛ n'ani awuo afei ana ghanafoɔ bɛhunu akufoɔ ado so mfasoɔ ɛno ne mmɔde mu a papa yi ɔbɛbɔde ma ɔman no yɛtena hɔ ɛma ndcfoɔ bɛka kyerɛ yɛn sɛ akufoɔ ado ne npp foɔ mpanyimfoɔ na ɛyɛ galamsey no na wɔn deɛ wɔn ba a wɔn nyɛ galamsey na wɔn bɛtu aseɛ sisi akufoɔ ado ne npp foɔ wɔn kɔ na yɛde no yɛsi dɛ yɛ mihu such a massive and such a level of destruction see that nti yɛne yɛn npp foɔ deɛ yɛasɛ mu yɛbɛkɔ so de ayɛ ama yɛsɛm
Okay, good morning.
Los abedwafo mekyia mo anɔpɛ yi awurade nhyira mo mu dwumadi a modie ne atiefoɔ nyinaa galamsey asɛm a mo kan deɛ ɔfa hwɛ ɔman mu mpanyimfoɔ no ankasa na ɛdi saa adwuma no ɛna sɛ wobi ni aban mu a galamseyfoɔ no wɔn ahyehyɛ wɔn akyi ɛna wɔn atototu akɛseɛ de ama wɔn